Oh, I see some. Garbage. Okay. Oh, another game. God of War. Okay. Go through DJ Hero 2.
Wow.
Is this... Did we find...
I think we did.
We found the CD of that, so that's good. Let's go through this. These are all DVDs and Blu-rays that I'm pulling out. Okay, that's interesting. Don't know. 1991. Twins.
Yeah, I mean, it's worth looking up.
Couple of them. Oh, he must have been the Twins fan last time. Oh, another
What is that?
Super Nintendo controller. Actually, it kind of looks... I don't think it's not a real one. And it's also...
Do we have one to test? Right?
Yeah, we do. But...
Okay, let's just, we'll throw it out.
Oh, little puppy. Spinning. Okay, hoping for more video games somewhere in here. Oh, I see some. I spent a lot on... What's that, CDs? Let's just get to the bottom. Oh, a bunch of games in here.
Oh my god.
Going naked. I don't really know. Okay, let's see. Max Payne. Medal of Honor. Is this wrestling?
Yeah. Sometimes those can be good, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's kind of random.
They're usually pretty good. Oh my god, there's a lot of them.
Couple down here. God of War. I think I already saw that one, but maybe it was for the Xbox. Yeah. Uncharted. Call of Duty. Oh, I loved this one. Played this in college. Another Call of Duty. Tony Hawk.
Ooh, that could be good. That's probably going to be one of the good ones.
Rainbow Vegas, or Rainbow Six. That's a good one. Just have to take these out.
Oh, I see one.
Don't spoil it for me. Splinter Cell. Good old.
Oh.
I'm surprised though. Most of them have them in there. So. Need for Speed.
There might be some in the consoles too.
Yeah, those good luck. But this is something too. Skate.
Ooh, yeah, it's really good. I see two down there.
I'm just gonna get this side. I'll do this in a second.
Actually, there's one right there too.
007. Heck yeah. NHL 12. This guy likes Call of Duty. He had like both Call of Duties for PS3 and his Xbox. It's a bunch of. I saw a bunch of 2.5 Men,
Yeah, we'll
so hopefully we can get
that.
like a couple series going. Let's look what's on here.
Ooh.
Battlefield.
We should put that in a case.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it there for right now, and I'll use one of those.
Was that one of the ones that didn't have it?
I don't think so. I don't know. I'll have to check. Guitar. Okay, and then I wanted to check what this was. Oh, I think it's like crayons, oil pastels. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's not a bad lot there. I'm going to remove these. Put these in here. Just to keep them safe. And we'll put all the DVDs back here. Do you still have that DVD contact?
I'll have to reach out to him.
Yeah, because I don't want to move these. If you like it, take them. All right, awesome. Well, that was not a bad box either. Okay, just do this tiny one here. Looks like a lot of stuff I don't want to touch. Okay. Oh. I don't know what that is. Is that drug stuff?
Maybe, yeah.
I don't really want to dig through that, honestly.
Yeah, we'll look at it later.
Kind of looking for any unused good stuff that's broken.
Nah.
I don't see anything in here.
What brand is that?
What's brand is what?
The wrench.
Oh. Channel
Probably
lock?
worth looking up.
Okay. Yeah, there's a happy baby. I've not
It's
seen
junk.
anything else. Okay.
What is this? Oh, these are actually drill bits for that thing, that saw thing. I'm gonna open that. Yes, these are probably good. Rockler. Oh, this is like a really expensive bit rockler.
Are these drill bits too?
Yeah, just
Okay.
close them. They might be worth
Cool.
something.